Hello friends, I'm Michelle. Welcome to another video. I got my product from Beebeecraft today, and I'm making a haul video and two designs, two tutorials with the product, and I thought that was so awesome. So I got it in the mail today. It's been over 30 days, and the lady from Beebeecraft said that it's probably because of the virus and mail being slow, so I don't honestly know how long it would normally take because I've never ordered from there. Okay, so let's just go ahead and cut this open. And now we've got to open this. So here's the packing slip. Look at all that memory wire. That cup chain, tiny, like 2mm cup chain. That's gorgeous. And then, okay, so I got to go through and pick out some items to design some pieces with. In exchange for some videos. Alright, so I got the packing list here, and we'll just, let's see. Number one roll of, okay, it don't really have the name or anything. It's got the item code, CHC T001 SS602S. And that's this gorgeous cup chain. It's a 10-yard roll. Okay. And it's crystal AB. Oh, there's more plastic. And let's see. I don't know if you can see that. I can't find the... Look how gorgeous that small cup chain is. It's got a very pretty AB coating. Alright. And then 10 strands of 4mm crystal cubes. Let's see. Look how long those strands are too. Let's see, there's a green. And then there's like a peridot color. Gosh, what is that? It's like a dark color with the bronze. It's all different colors of finishes. And then there's like a peachy color. Look at all the red. A ruby. I think I describe that as more of a ruby color. Look at all that sparkle. And then there is a light purple strand. You see that? And it's like topazy, or like a I don't know, like a cream color. Gorgeous. Look at that. Look at all that sparkle there. I think those are electroplated. I think that's what they call electroplated crystal cubes. Okay. Sorry, that piece of plastic. And then the next thing is gosh, I forget like how many loops of memory wire. Like 300. I'm pretty sure it was 300. And I believe that's stainless steel memory wire as well. I'll have all the links down in the description box below the video to these products. I should have a coupon code as well. I don't know. I'll have to look again. I didn't see one. But it seems that everyone that does a collaboration with Beebeecraft usually has a coupon code. Okay, and then I've got 3mm crystal rondelles, and they come in this cute little organizer box. There we go. Oh, those are plastic. Yep. Be right back. I'll get the plastic off. Okay. Let's see. Let's open these. Gosh, they don't seem like they were shut. And I forget exactly how many crystals are in each one. I wish I remembered. It's been so long. It took a month to get here, over a month. It just says one box. I think there's 1,000. I think there's 100 of each color. Stop it. Stop it. Okay. Let's look at the other side. These don't seem to snap very well. Maybe. No. Oh boy. It's not good. Now this side does. Okay, now there's a pretty what's that, anyways, light blue, an aqua color, a nice ruby, or no, it's more of a red, more of a cyan color, teal, olivey, tree green, grass green, whatever. And then a champagne color. That side closes. I'll have to deal with that later. Alright, and then I have one more item. It's a set of 5. Different colored spacer beads. Okay, and so there is, let's see what colors. We've got an antique silver. These are 4mm, I believe. Yeah, 4mm. I was going to get the 3mm, but I decided on the 4. Because usually I use these more in stringing projects, so 4mm would probably be better. And then there's the bright silver. There's a gunmetal. Looks like antique copper. And the bright gold. Alright. So, here we go. Let's take another look at my order. I can't get over all that. Still can't get over all that memory wire. So here's another look at all the products that I received from Beebeecraft. Alright, now, next, soon I'll be uploading a couple different tutorials with the designs that I've made using these products. Alright, thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you in the next video.